Hi everyone, today we're exploring the Allazone 80 PCS needle felting kit, featuring 65 vibrant wool roving colors. This kit includes 9 felting needles in 3 sizes, a wooden felting tool, and 5 wool felt molds to help you create detailed projects. Made from soft fiber wool, the roving is fluffy, colorful, and perfect for handmade felt creations and DIY crafts. Whether you're into needle felting, wool painting, or jewelry making, this kit offers versatile materials for all your artistic needs. The professional-grade needles and molds ensure you can complete your projects with precision and ease. It's an ideal choice for crafting personalized gifts for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Dive into your next creative adventure with this comprehensive and colorful felting kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.